nested PCR. Nested PCR is such a PCR in which two pair of primers are used to amplify a particular fragment of the DNA. First pair amplify the larger fragment of the DNA that works like a standard PCR. While the second pair of primers, which is called as nested primers, or those primers which are designed from the larger fragment of the DNA. So the second pair amplifies the smaller fragment as compared to the previous one. So there are two pair of primers. First pair of primers that works like a standard PCR that amplifies the DNA, while the second pair of primers that have been designed from the internal regions of the larger fragment. Here we can see that how nested PCR works. Here we can see that first pair of primers, the primer that is in a red color, this is pair of primer. This is left primer, this is right primer. We can amplify this larger fragment of the DNA with the help of first pair of primers. Once we have performed the PCR reaction by using this pair of primers, then we use the second pair of primers. So this is second pair of primers. Here we can see that with the help of this pair of primers, we can amplify the smaller fragment which was actually present in the larger fragment. So such a PCR in which first we amplify a larger fragment and then we amplify a smaller fragment which is present within the larger region, such a PCR is called as nested PCR. So as a result of second pair of primer, we see that the PCR product as a result of second pair of primer is shorter as compared to the first PCR product. Second PCR product is more specific because the second pair of primer bind to the DNA region which has been amplified. So now there is a possibility of non-specific binding of the primers or non-specific bands has been lessened. Advantages of the nested PCR: very low probability of non-specific bands because during the first pair of primers that bind to the template DNA, while the second pair can only bind to the amplified DNA that was done with the help of first pair of primers. So there is very less probability that there can be non-specific amplification. Such a PCR in which we use two pair of primers is called as nested PCR.